We out here. Josh the real. And we're at the parks. And we're gonna do a lot of work this morning. A lot, Joshua. A lot. See how the camera shake? See how that shake? See? Look at that shake. Look at it. Yep, it's our family day off today. It's our family day off today, and we're starting out on a good note. We are exercising. Yeah, that's what we're starting out doing. All right, so let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. We're at the Brian Piccolo Park in Pembroke Pines, Florida, and that's the fam bam right there. Leg off him, no, leg off him, leg off him. See them there? Joshua always going like him cool, like him is Mr. Cool. Yeah, it's a beautiful day though. It's a beautiful day. The trees are blowing in the wind and all of these things. And we're gonna do our 1 hour of walking and stuff, and then we have a big thing today. Let me tell you what it is. Today I'm gonna surprise Joshua by allowing him to drive the car for the first time. He is 16 years old. He has gotten his driving permit, and he's not aware that I'm gonna allow this to happen, but I'm gonna do it because guess what? I'm my son. Yeah, I want to be a proud dad. I'm make him try a thing. You see it? Watch and see. You just get wet. It smell bad, don't?
For real?
A well water.
Well?
Yep. The sprinkler just wet way up, guys. See, many people don't get to spend enough time with their families, and so what we do is as soon as Joshua gets a day off, we try to utilize it as much as possible. Before you know it, this kid will be a grown adult and gone on his own, doing his own thing. He won't have time for his parents. And so guys, we're just making sure we utilize as much as possible. Now as soon as we got done with the walking, I surprised him by telling him to get around the steering wheel. He was surprised, but I think he was ready. Look at what happened.
He's driving, you guys. Oh my god, he's driving. He's driving. Oh my god, he's driving, you guys. Yes, he's driving. He's reversing. Lord, Lord, Lord. My son is reversing so confidently. Wow. Very first time. Awesome. Turning on all? Are you kidding me right now? But why is there a lady though? Of all the mornings, we don't normally see people up here. Why is there a lady right there? I don't know what's going on inside the vehicle, but from what I'm seeing, I think he did an amazing job for his very first time around the steering wheel. Yeah, yeah.